Hi everyone, tonight is New Year's Eve and I assume everyone is busy with last minute preparations, so that is the reason why I choose to show you a really simple and nice drink that will not take much time. Initially I was thinking to make a Kir Royale, but then I realized not everyone likes sparkling wine, so I found a recipe that has probably similar flavor profile, but it's a little bit different. The drink I want to show you is called the VERMOUTH CASSIS and it's really easy. To do the drink, you take your highball glass and you fill it with ice. I will put more ice later on if need. And to that we're gonna add 2 to 3 ounces of dry vermouth. Since I don't have dry vermouth on hand, I'm gonna use white one, but should not change the flavor profile too much. So 3 ounces or 90 mils. Okay. To that we're gonna add 22.5 mils or 3/4 of an ounce of Crème de Cassis. And we're gonna top it up with 3 ounces or as much space we have of sparkling water. Since I have much more space left in the glass, I'm gonna add more ice. Okay. And we're gonna top it up. We gently mix. And that is how we make the VERMOUTH CASSIS. I really hope you're gonna enjoy this drink. And since it's at the end of the year, I want to wish every one of you Happy New Year. Let's hope it will be much better the coming 2021 compared to the current one. And I want to say a big thank you to everyone that showed me support through the year, that comment, liked, watched my videos. And I really appreciate all you've done to me so far. I hope in the next year to be able to show you more interesting recipes you to enjoy. Thank you very much. And I wish you Happy New 2021. Bye bye everyone.